Tornado. We're under a tornado warning right now. Hear it? Good. See if I can capture it again.
I'm guessing when that goes away, all that.
Look at. It's coming in, but look. It's rotating.
That open space.
Constant thunder.
Watch when the clouds.
Boom.
You see it? You're there. You're looking on the screen and it's here.
This is a mesocyclone, Mom. This is a mesocyclone. Rain wrapped. Dad, look how rain wrapped it is, though. Boom. Mom, come here. Come look at this low. There's a wall cloud right there.
Wow.
That's.
Here I want to see.
I'm interested right in front of us because look, that's a wall cloud forming.
Anything here. There's something.
Oh, there's not. There's the lowerings could be in front of us. Boom. That's all hail. Whoa, this is a barrage right now. As you can see, we're in a tornado warning right now. Yeah, it moved out of the way.
What would happen? It's school right now. They're coming home. What? Why?
Whoa, I caught that. Mom, look at how it's rotating though. It's rotating really bad. Look at that mesos. That's something right there. Yeah, there's something right there. That's a wall. Is this a wall cloud forming, Mom? This is what you call a this is not an anticyclonic one. This is a something's in there. Do you agree? This is insane. Is this? Look it up there. Look how it's rotating. Whoa, that's a power flash. Is there something on? That was a power flash. That was a power flash. That wasn't lightning.
He's in Timmins. Yeah, it's green in Timmins.
Look at the green.
I know.
What in the world? Is this alien?
Oh boy.
Look at, is that a funnel?
Yep.
Right there?
That's one starting, yep.
That's a tornado.
Here it comes, yep.
Yep, that's get ready.
Watch out for the truck, Tim.
Dad, funnel, wall cloud.
Not a wall.
That's oh, there's a funnel in there.
Look at the funnel starting.
Sirens. Sirens.
Right here, look at it spinning.
No, over there.
There's that. Yeah, I'm worried about that one, but.
That's not,
You don't see it turning?
yeah, it's not a funnel though.
That's wall cloud. That's what you call a wall. Look at it. Look at that
Look at that rotation. Yeah.
Wow.
See? That's a funnel.
Look at that rain shaft right there, Mom. Look, that's scary.
It's getting
Whoa.
cold.
That is.
What's that? To die.
Are we gonna die? Whoa. What in the world? Was I talking about the hail, Mom? Do you think this is hail coming in?
Now, if the wind picks up, that's where you're gonna get a funnel come in.
That is.
It's trying to.
Look at that. Look at that. Fuck. I mean, I don't care about the lightning. Whoa. Look at that funnel.
You know what it is? It's the color, eh? That makes it.
Scary.
Yep. So it's from debris being sucked up from the ground. That's what makes it green. I'm just letting shit to kill
Ground circulation. Ground circulation.
That's why
Ground circulation.
Joey, that's why tornadoes usually happen in the evening, is because the debris gets sucked up and makes the sky green.
Mom, look, there's like ground. I'm picking up ground circulation. I just saw. That's a funnel. Look, that's one. Should we head inside?
No, freezing. Fine. Go grab something. Look at this. It's forming. It's circling and it's coming down.
Right here's where we gotta watch out. This is Scud.
Yeah.
Look how fast it's moving.
What do you call it? Macro? Was it micro?
Microburst. Macroburst. Downburst. Here we go with the gust front. This is menacing. I don't think we're gonna get a tornado. We're gonna get sure shit.
We're gonna get fucking rain.
No, we won't.
Not right now.
No, over there we will.
Ooh, that was above us. Should we head inside? Right there, Mom.
Cool, because the wind, because that, oh my God.
That's a funnel. That's a funnel, Dad.
Check it out, Tim. Right above us. See how it's turning into one?
Holy. Should we head inside?
No freaking way.
Oh my God. Oh my. Starting to rain. Your hair's standing up, by the way. I'm going inside. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a fucking storm. Wow. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my God.
Hail. It's gonna start soon, I think.
Yeah, it's hailing. That's hail. Hear it? Holy shoot. That is so crazy. Oh my God. Look at the rain. Oh! Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at the rain.
I sent pictures.
Turn off the lights. Turn off. Want to go upstairs? Will it be a better view upstairs? Listen.
Do you like the wall of
Yeah?
storm coming in?
That is, I caught it.
Beautiful to have like a forming funnel go right over your head.
I knew that was a funnel form. Was I right?
Yeah.
You're soaked.
Now it's the wind.
It takes 2 seconds. It's dead until that wall hits you.
Yeah.
Trees might go down, by the way. Trees might go down. Just stay away from the windows if it starts getting worse, okay?
That one guy swerved into the other lane because it was.
That's hail.
I think the power's gonna go out.
Look at the
Power's gonna go out probably.
look at the rain like
Okay,
that.
let's send
Oh,
him and his
that's a
dad.
tornado. That's a tornado. Whoa. That's a tornado, guys.
There will be one. I don't like when they gave that tornado warning. I'm assuming there will be one.
Night
For
Hawk.
here.
What's that?
Usually Nighthawk area.
I think we might get it. Come on. Ow! Fuck.
What
What
happened?
is he doing?
He was wanted pets, he
No.
wanted attention.
Look at it going down the road.
I didn't know what time.
This is the most powerful storm of the year. Do you agree?
It's usually like Rice Lake, Miracle Falls, or Nighthawk
I
area.
didn't know
Well,
what
it's usually
touch
bush
me.
area when it actually touches down. But
Yeah.
Oh, my foot, look. I really do.
This is gonna be the most powerful storm of the year. Look at it cascading. Power might go out.
That's what I'm thinking.
Maybe.
I want to go swimming.
Not in this, dude.
Yeah,
I don't think I've ever seen a well, in years a storm.
I seen last year. It was like this. Remember, just less
No,
lightning.
not like
No,
this.
not the green sky like this.
It was like it. Just it was the most like the wind and rain was like it. Just less.
Tornadic.
It was tornadic. It was just less lightning. Do you agree? It's not as big. It was a smaller mesocyclone.
What is that?
oh, perfect.
I'm going over.
Almost in.
Oh, that is sick. It's pirouetting.
Caleb and him need to like get together at a storm because Caleb.
Is this the worst storm you've seen in a while?